Okay, so episode 4. So last night it ended with Liam going on a date with 2 girls. He first had a date with Afia. She lives in London near Waterloo, which Liam didn't have a clue where that was. There was a really good vibe going on. I thought he isn't usually her type, but she says she liked talking to him, so fingers crossed. Davide was asked to describe Gemma in 3 words, and it took him a long time to answer. Liam then went on a date with EKIN-SU, which is just a strange name. She was saying his eyes were hypnotizing her, and he thinks that she could be trouble, and he ain't wrong there. Paige and Luca had a chat, and I think he is only saying what she wants to hear, especially after what happened at the end tonight. So I think the 2 girls, I think Tasha and Paige, should compare notes on what he's been saying to both of them to see the similarities to them. Amber told the girls that Dammy kissed her, and Liam took the 2 girls into the villa, linking arms, and Luca and Davide's eyes lit up like seeing 2 little puppies running in the villa. Anyway, yeah, EKIN-SU pissed Gemma off by saying a few things, and she kept blowing Luca kisses in the bedroom. Weird. In the morning, the lads were outside chatting away, and the 2 new girls went out while the rest ran up to the balcony to watch them. EKIN-SU said that she was going to get to know the lads first, while Afia said that she was going to get to know both. EKIN-SU and Davide had their lovely chat. I think they're suited for each other. Both players, both horrible. I find them horrible. Afia had a chat with Ikenna, saying she's his top guy. Davide and Gemma had their chat. She's gonna give him space, let him talk to her. So Davide decided to try and get to know her more. Gemma, this is. It was hilarious when EKIN-SU was chatting to the girls 1 minute, and then she sees Davide get up to go to the gym, and yeah, she jumped straight up. I think Gemma is over it now, which we saw back in tonight. And after what EKIN-SU said to Paige, saying she was watching her and Luca in bed all night. Sorry, but I think she's a psychopath. She has to be a psychopath. I've got to support Andrew now, and as I know now, he went to a school in Somerset, and EKIN-SU trying to do that accent. I'm sorry, she's a shit actress. She needs lessons in accents. She was shit. Anyway, now Gemma is now wanting to talk to Luca. Fucking hell, Luca will be loving it. Liam is like another Dr. Raditz George. I do feel really sorry for him, because those girls just, you know, since they went in that villa, that was it. They played a game of beer pong. In the evening, it was boys versus girls. If their ball goes into the cup, then they had to down a drink and then do the dare. It was like, kiss the person who you think is wifey material or husband material and stuff like that. And obviously Luca had to have the one that was saying kiss the two girls he wanted to have a threesome with, and that was Paige because he didn't want to disrespect her, despite going over to doing that chat tonight. And what's her name? Gemma. And then obviously Tasha picked Luca instead of picking Andrew. So then when it was Andrew's turn, he picked Paige instead of her, and she didn't like that. But it was nice to see that Dami stuck up for him when he went over there and they were chatting. So yeah, Luca took Gemma onto the balcony for a chat, and he was saying that if he could switch beds he would, and talking about football, etc. She was saying that her dad would like him. Luca said that he really wanted to kiss her, but she said no, not at the moment. So yeah, it's starting to get very interesting now. So cannot wait to see what tomorrow brings. I think there's going to be a couple arguments between Davide and Luca. So can't wait for that.